All kinds of eateries, as you can see. It's like a mini food fair going on. The rains have dampened the situation here, otherwise it would have been even nicer. But you can see how nice it is. All kinds of foods from all over the world. That's New York. What a wide variety of people, cuisine, a melting pot, really. New York, I think, beats any city in the world in terms of multicultural, foods and whatnot. With an element of acceptance, non-hate, and I mean, you'd be surprised, even in the buses it's mentioned that hate is not part of the transport system. You're not supposed to hate anybody. And you can see all kinds of foods here. And yeah, that's how good it gets. Yeah. I can smell pizzas, tacos, everything, everywhere. I don't know what to say. That's another stall here. As you can see. Gelato, made in Brooklyn. What are you getting?
Indian style donuts. There's a
Oh, really?
jamun donut and everything.
It's an Indian stall, is it? Yeah, really? How do you know it's an Indian stall?
I've been following them for a while.
Oh, then you.
But I've
Right,
never
that's an
tried
Indian
them.
stall here. We got. That's what they're serving.
How does it? How many?
So I boxes of 6, 12, 4, 2.
Maybe let's start with 4. I definitely want the gulab jamun and the roll.
Okay.
Which other one do you recommend?
I recommend the mango lassi.
Let's do it.
I would say the tiramisu kulfi, coconut laddu is very good, or the rasmalai. Honestly, you want 4 or you want 6? I can recommend you. I would recommend 1, 2, 3.
Listen, I have a sweet tooth. I'll do 12 if I have to. But I should start with 4. My
Okay,
dad's
okay,
diabetic.
fine.
I'm diabetic.
So it's just me
Okay.
mainly. So which one out of these? I've been following you guys for years. I just
You like
made it.
rasmalai?
Yeah. I love anything Indian.
Alright, you would love this.
Okay, perfect.
Is it recording?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
He's gonna blog about it.
Oh. Okay, so that's your 4? Yeah. Okay. You want to take a picture of this?
Yeah, all right.
Then start.
I'm from Mumbai.
Thank you so much.
She
I'm
lives.
from Mumbai.
We are both
Good.
from. Yeah, I live here.
And very West
Oh my
Warsaw.
god, I grew like 15 years old.
She's here. She lives here
Yeah,
for
yeah.
many
Long
years.
Island City.
So I'm visiting her. I go back tomorrow.
I once ordered from.
Bombay. Oh, I can't wait.
You
My parents live in Bombay.
do? They do? Which area?
Marine Drive, not Marine
Marine Drive. Oh, that's the
you
posh
Gujarati?
area.
Marwadi.
Drive.
Oh,
That's
There
why
she is,
I-
Bikaner.
That's why.
we are Banya, so we are
You
close.
get it, yeah. So that's why this is like our thing, you know, like
Yeah.
we you are some Hindi.
That's the Indian donuts here. We are in this garden at the moment, and look at the park. And that's the New York skyline over there with the beach, and a lot of eateries and the building. You know, you can have food on these rustic wooden chairs. Sit in the open. Of course, it's a rainy day today. It doesn't look, you know, that's why the crowds are not there, because it's raining. Otherwise, this place on a Saturday would be full. The best part is, what I like as an Indian is that the cleanliness. You see, there are dustbins everywhere, and everything is maintained neat and clean. And there is no, you don't see dogs, stray dogs, cows, or you know, Indian police, you know, that they would be loitering around, maybe make some money by asking them why they were coming to the park, is as ridiculous as it gets. So The cleanliness part is the main thing which Indians have to understand. India is an extremely dirty country with 1 trillion tons of garbage everywhere, and they are not changing. They accept it as a way of life, which is sickening, really sickening. Shish kebabs. Pakistani. Turkish. Cafe Napoli. This is the Italian Quarter, and it's next to Canal Street, which is next to the Chinatown. And look at the rush here. Okay, we got lasagna. That's the place. Vietnamese coffee, yeah. And what's the price?
$8.
Hot coffee this is.